Ready to ditch the endless card entries and pay for your Uber Eats order with just a glance? Let's get to it. First things first, make sure you've got the Uber Eats app downloaded and signed in on your iPhone or iPad. If you don't have it yet, head over to the App Store and grab it. Now open up the Uber Eats app and start browsing. Find that restaurant that's calling your name and build your perfect meal. Add everything you want to your cart. Don't be shy. Once you've got your order ready, tap on the cart icon, usually located at the bottom of the screen, to review your items before checkout. Okay, this is where the magic happens. You will tap on Choose Payment Method. You should see Apple Pay as an option. Select Apple Pay from the list. If you don't see Apple Pay, make sure it's enabled in your iPhone's wallet and Apple Pay settings. Depending on your device, you will authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode to confirm your payment. Hold your device up, let it scan your face or fingerprint, and confirm. And just like that, your order is placed, paid for securely with Apple Pay. No more fumbling for your wallet or typing in card details. Enjoy your meal.